Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your PSN account password in very easy way. So you have a PSN account that you use on a PlayStation and other Sony devices, and now you want to change the password of that account because you feel your password is not secure enough, or there's some other reason you want to do it but you can't figure out how you can do it. Pause this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a PSN account password in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change the PSN account password is open a browser in your desktop and go to playstationnetwork.com. Once you go to playstation.com, you'll land an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is select the country that you created your account for. Once you select that country, you'll be taken to a new page, and here make sure you're logged into your PSN account. If not, go ahead and log into your PSN account. Once you log into your PSN account, you'll land an interface like this. Now here, what you want to do is simply go into your profile icon, then tap on it, then go into your account settings. Once you go into your account settings, you'll land an interface like this. Now from here, in order to change your account password, what you need to do is go into your security settings. Once you go into your security settings, tap on the continue button. Now once you land on the security settings, here you'll see an interface like this. Now here the second option you'll be labeled as password, and beside that password option you'll see a button labeled as edit. So to change the password, simply tap on that edit button. Now here what you need to do is enter your current password, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your current password, go ahead and create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password, re-enter that password. Once you do that, tap on the save button. Once you tap on the save button for security, you will have to re-enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password. Once you enter your old password, tap on the continue button. You'll successfully change the PSN account password to the new password that you have entered. So those were the simple steps in order to change the PSN account password. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.